Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to part 2. If you missed, there was another embellishment box that I shared, as well as a travel theme tag flip that my sweet friend Carol made, and Jody Home and Hearts had given me in a giveaway. So this is part 2. My sweet friend Terry, hi Terry, had made this. We all get together every couple of months to have dinner and kind of catch up and everything. And we had a chance to get together for Dawn's birthday dinner and decided that our next swap was going to be an embellishment box swap. So everyone makes their own little embellishment, whatever theme they wished, and brought it to the next dinner. And this is what I received. So we kind of pick tickets based on the number. And it was the 5 of us, Susan, Terry, Dawn, Carol, and I. We were missing Margaret and Tina. So here is what I received from Terry, and I'm so super excited because this is a Disney themed embellishment box. She is a Disney fan and lover, and I love, look at this bottle cap. She added some the stickers on the top, and then on the back she added foam tape. So she created this as a little embellishment, and she has this little Project Life Disney background silhouette, and says what a bunch of characters and magic. Added a wood embellishment, really cute. So as I open it, voila! So there's 3 different spaces for the embellishment box, and on this space she created a lot of different types of she decorated a lot of design paper, and she distressed the edges on this one. She added Oh So Happy, this really pretty heart button, as well as stapled a yellow satin ribbon. So I really love this. This one says, "This is what happiness looks like." And then she made another type of like a pocket card. Dreams do come true. So goofy. She added a little film strip right here, a little film strip die, and popped this up. Added a little heartwood embellishment. Really cute. And then here are a couple of different frames, chipboard frames. Hello Magic. We're all ears. Added some sequins on this one. And look at these darling little file folders. They're little mini file folders. How cute is this, with the different types of papers, using the same paper collection. I think this is Simple Stories. So thank you, Terry. How cute. I'm gonna hoard this. I'm not giving it to anybody. And I'm just gonna look at it, and I'm gonna put it in my Disney collection, and I'm just gonna smile and play and draw lots of inspiration from this. This is a little envelope that she created using the paper. She popped up a magic, and then believe and dream. She layered it up, and then there's a little paper clip, and inside are a whole bunch of different types of ephemera pieces. Little bookmark. This one says happiness. This one says this moment. Little ice cream cone that you can get at Disneyland. Magical memories. So cute. Wow, I love it. Look at this. So cute. Super duper cute. So, so that goes in there. And this one says cast, crew, and family fun dream come true. And she added a red border, and then added some polka dot ribbon on the top. And she even stapled with this gold stapler I wonder if she has like a We Are Memory Keeper stapler with the different colors. So cute. Here's another little embellishment piece with the chipboard on the top. It says Happy Place, a little page flag, and some little holographic heart stickers. Super cute. And this one says, what a bunch of characters. I love this tag. She put a little scallop edging right there. So that's in this little section of the box here. And then in this section, she added this really cute sequined bow. Of course, it's a Minnie Mouse bow. And she backed it up with black felt and added a black paper clip. Thank you. She made some rosette embellishments. How cute is this? How cute. She layered it with the color theme of red and yellow. She made another one. So cute. All of these different handmade goodies. Simply wonderful. I can actually make a pocket letter with this if I wanted to, but I don't want to give it away. I want to admire it and keep it and just smile whenever I see it. So cute. And here's some washi tape. I don't have very much washi tape, so this is a great collection. This one says W, and this one's a red and black polka dot fabric trim. This is a polka dot that matches the color of the theme, red, black, and yellow. Wow, you loaded me up with all of this washi tape, Terry. Thank you. And these are the designs of Mickey and Goofy and Minnie and Tigger. That's so cute. Where did you get that? And then here's some ribbon trim as well. Oh, and little tassels. These are tiny little black tassels. Super cute. Thank you, Terry. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Terry. So this is what I was talking about. She had the circle foam tape, and she created these little embellishments. So we have one of Donald and Pluto and Goofy. Super cute. Then she's sharing some red little circle pearls. A ton of different colored buttons I can add to make more embellishments. Glitter, red. These are like Trojan colors. I am a USC alumni, so this is great. I love it. Nice. I love that. I wonder if it came like that or if you created this own glitter mix. Very cute, Terry. Some pom-pom trim. And then, she's also shared some sequins. I love this little, this cute little bottle. Cute. And then she's added a couple more bookmarks that she created. And some more little clothespins. And these are little beads that her friend had created in the oven. How cute is that? And lastly, she's included two little, this is two little pencils. One that I can sharpen that has a little star and it's glittered. And this one is this a butterfly? Little butterfly, tiny little gold butterfly. So thank you so much Terry. I really adore this Disney embellishment. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you drew some inspiration from this. It's a super duper cute little embellishment kit. So, actually, she also shared with me these really cute puffy stickers, heart, and this parrot theme, as well as this really cute, this is from Forever in Time. And I love this. This is perfect for a future sea-themed, mermaid and sea-themed. And these little puffy duckies. So thank you so much. I heart you, Terry. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.